Hi, my name is Wendy Passmore Godfrey, and I'm the founder and artistic director of WP Puppet Theatre. We are an organization that engages children and adults in important conversations through the art of puppetry.
And I'm Alan Rosales, manager of the View from the Inside program. This workshop explores mental health and wellness by guiding a group of people through making masks that depict their own unique journeys. To date, we've had about 300 people take the program, from youth, kids, immigrants, and seniors. But there's always one story that sticks out in my mind. One senior made a mask that symbolized the love story of her and her late husband. On the front of her mask, she put a male and female bird and said how they brought balance to each other. She also painted water that represented tears, grief, and washing away. On the back of her mask, she put a love poem and left a blank space, symbolizing what was missing in her life. After the program ended, she put her mask in a special place in her apartment, and she talks to her mask as a way of feeling connected to her lost love.
So that's just one of the incredible stories we've seen this year, and that's why we want to keep on putting on View workshops, and we need your help. Every 7-week session of View with 20 artist participants costs about $5,000 to pay artists facilitators, purchase supplies, create a video archive of their stories, and host a public art exhibit. Right now we have a wait list of groups, primarily those who serve vulnerable people, who want to bring View to their members, but they can't afford to cover the costs.
This year we plan to host 12 View from the Inside workshops that will help people tell their stories and see their own mental wellness in a whole new light. For this, we need your help. Our goal is to raise $60,000 to bring this conversation to more youth and seniors in Calgary. There are opportunities for both sponsorships and charitable donations available. We'd like to talk to you about how your company can be involved. Let's transform the conversation of mental health in our communities through art, drama, and puppet making.